Good morning, student. Student, topic determinant is started. Determinant is a number associated with the square matrix. Student, let A is a square matrix. Then there is a number associated with this matrix is called the determinant of matrix A. Student, determinant is represented by either determinant of A or delta or D. There are three ways to represent a determinant. Either A with two vertical lines or delta, symbol delta or D. These are the letters for the determinant. Student, let A matrix is 2, 5, 7, 9. Then its determinant is 2, 5, 7, 9. When we write the determinant, then we arrange the number into vertical lines. That is called row and that is column. It is a determinant and it is having two rows and two columns. Then the number is obtained when we expand the determinant. There is a one rule for the expansion of the determinant. Here, rule is we will multiply 2 by 9 minus 7 into 5. Here, when we multiply up to down, then it is a positive sign. When we go down to up, then there is a minus sign. Now it is 18 minus 35, which is minus 17. Number may be negative or positive any. It may be complex number also. So minus 17 is the determinant of this matrix. So the number which is obtained by this matrix is minus 17. It is one of the unique number for this particular determinant. Now, there is a determinant of a square matrix of order 3. Student, let A is a square matrix of order 3. Then A matrix is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. Now its determinant is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. When we write the matrix, then we arrange the number in a square bracket or in any other bracket. But when we arrange the determinant, then we write the number in vertical lines. So that is the vertical lines and all the elements are arranged in these vertical lines. Now we will obtain the number associated with this matrix. It is one of the method. Here we will write first element A11, then and a determinant of second order A22, A23, A32 and A33. Then minus, for there is a sign convention, plus minus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus plus. So this determinant can be expanded by 3 rows. It can be expanded by any 3 rows or any 3 columns. So there are 6 methods to expand this determinant. So when we expand with the respect to R1, we will take A1, then minus A12, because there is a minus sign, A12, and we write the determinant of second order this way, means we will cancel this element by vertical and horizontal line. These elements are left. So the determinant of second order will be A21, A23, A31 and A33. Now we write A13, then the determinant of second order that will be obtained, we will cancel this particular number by taking a horizontal line and vertical line. Then there is a plus A13 and second order determinant will be A21, A22, A31 and A32. Now we will expand second order determinant. So it is A11 into A22 into A33 minus A32 into A23 minus A12, then A21 into A33 minus A31 into A23. Student, as you know, when we multiply up to down, there is a positive sign. When we go down to up, then there is a minus sign. Plus A13 into A21 into A32 minus A31 into A22. When we solve all the brackets and multiply with this number here, then we will get a particular number or unique number which is the determinant of this square matrix. Now I am taking one example to explain this more. Student, now see the question. Question is evaluate the determinant. Determinant is 3 minus 4, 5, 1, 1 minus 2, 2, 3, 1. Now we will solve this determinant and by expanding it with respect to row R1. We will write 3, then is a determinant 1 minus 2, 3, 1 minus 4. Then 1 minus 2, 2, 1 plus 5. Then 1, 1, 2, 3. Then expand. We will write 3 into 1 plus 3 2 is 6 minus plus, so plus 4, then it is 1 into 1 minus 2 into minus 2, so it is plus 4 plus 5, 1 into 3 is 3 minus 2 into 1 which is 2. Then it is 3 into 7 plus 4 into 5 plus 5 into 1. Then it is 21 plus 20 plus 5, or it is 21 plus 25 equal to 46. So this particular number 46 is the value of this determinant.